How to loop a video on Instagram story. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Instagram and let's create a story. Now, once you are here, on the left side of the screen at the center, you will see there are some options. So the first one is the text option, and the second one you see like there's an infinity icon, which is the boomerang feature or option. So click on it, and this one will allow you to create a video on loop. So let's shoot a story quickly. And it's processing right now. Now, as you can see, the story will be in loop, and yeah, it's pretty easy and simple. Now, you have at the top of the screen the option to customize your boomerang, so you might want to trim it to, uh, edit it a bit, or you can, as you can see right here, there's the speed icon, etc. So you can edit it according to your needs, and once you are done you can simply just paste your I mean post, not paste, post your story just like you normally do after you edit it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can put a video on loop on Instagram story. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the